The majority of offshore investment accounts are actually invested very conservatively and represent the assets taken out of countries which have big political volatility. Meaning, if you live in China and you're worried about the future of China, well, maybe you want to take some money out and put it offshore of China. If you live in Europe and you're worried about the volatility in Europe or Russia, perhaps you're trying to take some money out to be sure that the money will be there long term for you. And you create an offshore account. If you're here in the United States, which is such a litigious system, where the likelihood of getting sued is high if there's an accident or a divorce or a problem in your business, and you're looking to shelter a portion of your assets from that liability, well, offshore accounts are a terrific way to go. Now, you have to carefully consult with a very knowledgeable and seasoned tax and legal professional to help you with that, because it is not for the faint of heart, and certainly not for the novice. You need to be very careful in order to structure it correctly and legally. Most offshore accounts are reported to, in the case of the United States, to the IRS, and that's fine. But also in many cases, they would shield those assets from seizure. Also, depending upon how you set up the offshore account, the after-tax returns to you may be significantly different. Again, in this case, you want to spend some money and contact first a tax professional and a legal professional who is very seasoned in offshore investing. Where? Well, you can contact Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, perhaps Credit Lyonnais Securities, perhaps UBS as examples of companies you can go to where they can help you. So you can do it all legally, you just have to do it very carefully. What can you invest in after you've set up an offshore account? Anything you can do in your personal account. You can buy stock, bond, commodities, real estate, you name it. If it's there, you can buy it. I'm Roger Groh, and thank you for spending a little bit of time with me on offshore accounts.